Her ancestor told her that her daughter must have an Igbo name, so that her name would continue to guide her throughout her life. Then, Jasmine asked, "Why do I have to have so many dreams about this?" Her ancestor replied, "Because perfectionism is in your lineage." So then, Jasmine said, "Okay, could you tell me some more Igbo names having to do with having God's grace and mercy in your life?" Her ancestor said, "Yes, I will reveal 3 more names to you." And then, a blinding flash of light suddenly whisked her away. Her ancestor said, "The first name is Chimelogo." So then, Jasmine asked, "And what does that name mean?" So then her ancestor responded, "Chi means God's spirit in your life, Melu means to do, and Ogo means favor.